Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small-cap investment. It's Monday, April the 6th. I've got three great press releases for you. Let's get straight to it. Start you off first with Sino Clean Energy. Trades on the OTC under SCLX. They reported 392% year-over-year growth in revenues. These are their full fiscal numbers for the year ended December 31st. This is a producer and distributor of coal water mixture in the PRC. Let's get to the highlights. Revenue up 392%, as we said. $13.8 million. Gross profit up 344%, $4.5 million. Net income up 195% to $3 million or 3 cents per share. That's important because the company closed on Friday at 19 cents. So we got a company here trading at about 6.3 times earnings. Not a bad multiple, but pretty low when you consider the fact it's increasing revenues and bottom line by 400% and 200% respectively. Probably a low multiple there, but do your own due diligence. Closed on Friday at 19 cents. Next up, Guangzhou Global Telecom trades on the OTC under GZGT. They're also putting out their full year numbers. They're a provider of mobile phone handsets and prepaid calling cards in China. Revenue $44.8 million, up 109%. Gross profit, $3.5 million, up 181%. Huge numbers here. Operating profit, $1.56 million. That's compared to a loss last year of just under $300,000, so significant bump there. And this year they did record a net loss, but why is this important? The net loss was just $283,000. That compares to a net loss last year of $984,000, so you got a 71% decrease. You've got top line growing pretty quickly and bottom line losses shrinking significantly. Won't be surprised. In fact, I'm almost expecting this company to turn a significant profit next year. Got to watch it, but that's the trend. The company did close just over half a cent. Looks like 0.65 cents on Friday. So that's the one thing that I'm a little skeptical here, but you got to be careful about. Go do your own due diligence. Make sure there aren't any skeletons in the closet here. And finally, China TransInfo trades on the NASDAQ under CTFO. They announced that their products have been included on the Beijing government procurement list. Always important to have a company that can do business with local governments or municipal governments, and you've got that here. China TransInfo, as you can imagine from the name, they're a provider of public transportation information systems technology. You'll see this later, but you talk about technology related to electronic toll roads, parking, and traffic volume, which you got to imagine going to be very important in China for many years to come. These are companies that we like to find. 10 of the companies, we got 10 of the companies' products now included to the Beijing municipal government most recent procurement list. This is in addition to the 5 they already had in the cycle last year. So it looks like a total of 15 products now. This all comes subsequent to the company says this comes all subsequent to the massive economic stimulus package announced by the Chinese government at the end of 2008. And more in addition to that, the Beijing municipal government has made a strategic decision to give priority to technology products around Beijing in order to promote the local development of a high-tech enterprise. So good news for the company here. You got the CEO with a quote, "Having our products included on this list highlights the underlying long-term relationship that China TransInfo enjoys with government agencies. We expect to maintain a high win rate when bidding on government contracts." That remains to be seen, have to say that, but nonetheless, they are definitely on the right track, and the company closed on Friday at $3, which is just off their low of $2.20 for 52 weeks. Still way off their high of $7.20. Go take a look at that. Might be an example. Another one that we found a lot of these of the baby thrown out with the bathwater. That's it. Quality over quantity as always. Quality over quantity as always. 3 great press releases for you. But if you look for more great news, don't forget about 2 great sources. First, the ChinaSecurities.com front page. We've got all the latest press releases, the best press releases coming out of about 250 companies that we're tracking. And we're talking the best of the best news results like you saw today. In addition, you've also got the ChinaSecurities.com directory. Over 220 companies in there right now, listed by industry and exchange with great summary descriptions, so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio needs. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic day. I won't be here Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm off to be a speaker at a tech conference, but the guys will have more great news for you, and I'll see you on Thursday, but make sure you tune in tomorrow. Thanks.